Hey, praise Yeshua, Mashiach. God bless you all. God bless you all. All right, everyone. This is the calendar. Let me get that thing in here for this month. Next month. So I'll just go through this. New Year's Day is going to be at sunset tonight, and so really at April 20th or April 19th at sunset. From sunset to April 20th is the new day, so it started right there, sunset at 19th and then into 20th. So the April 20th of Gregorian 2023 is the first day of the year. So this is day one, month one, and this is also the new moon. So the new moon kind of starts here then. All right, so you got day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have the Sabbath. So you have the Sabbath from sunset on Thursday, or sunset Tuesday to sunset Wednesday, and that's going to be for the week. All right, and very important. So Passover Day starts on the 14th day of the month, which is May 3rd. So basically, at May 2nd at sunset to May 3rd at sunset is Passover. All right, and then right after Passover at sunset on May 4th begins the first day of the Feast of Unleavened Bread, which is a holy day. So then you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is the most holy day of the Passover, of the Feast of Unleavened Bread, and that's a great day to get together and give Yeshua thanks for dying on the cross for us. And there you go. And then the month ends May 18th at sunset, because on May 19th, for Southern California, San Bernardino, LA area, the new moon starts at 8:55 a.m. So I calculated this for everybody already. So this would be for the Holy Ones, the first day of the second month. And then from here, if you can't keep the first Passover, at least you can keep the second one. And you can use that as a marker for day 1 to get to the 14th day, and then, the 7 days. So that takes care of the calendar for the new year. All right, so also, I know a lot of people are into the seasons and stuff. For the Holy Ones, we only have summer and winter. We have early winter, midwinter, and late winter, early summer, mid-summer, late summer. Anything else, you can use your imagination and create all kinds of stuff, but there's summer and winter. And the reason I'm saying this is winter ends either, what is this, May 10th is the last day of winter, or you could say May 11th is the first day of summer, something like this. So that's where the actual season changes for us this year. So May 11th might be the first day of summer, or May 10th, something like that in that area. I could get more technical, but don't need to. All right, so that takes care of the calendar for the Feast of Unleavened Bread, the Passover, and I'd like to mention other stuff. I don't know if I should do it here. The world's getting crazier, obviously. Pray, be very decent. Here in San Bernardino, how you go on the internet and you try to find people that know chickens and stuff? In my area in Southern California, the place where I meet people that know chickens the most is at Home Depot. Every time I go there, I run into someone that also has chickens. It's pretty amazing. You'd be surprised at how many people keep chickens. After this, I think I'll do a quick update, get my birds ready to go outside. It's been a while, but they're doing pretty good. Anyway, if you're raising animals, better take care of them. There's so many great places out there to find out how to do better for your animals, because if you've looked at the traditional Western style of taking care of animals, with chemicals and vaccinations and stuff, that's all like pig vomit. And there's a better way for us, the people that trust in Yeshua, who your God is. And you just, you got to leave bad traditions and get back into the old ways. Seriously, the old ways are the better ways. New, especially nowadays, like just take a look at newer stuff. New things are actually less, and the old things are better. Have you noticed that? All right, that's a general statement. But I just wanted to say, show I bless you all. I'll do an update on, I guess, my worldly point of view and stuff, just for someone who, if they even care, maybe they could correct me on something. Alright, anyway, show I bless you all, and we're commanded to love each other, so I love you, and I hope that you're doing well. If I ever see you, we will see each other one day, but I hope to see you soon. Alright, take care. Show I bless you all. Amen.